Hello viewers, we will discuss about one new project which name is Zarkados. Zarkados is a one digital value and it is a very strong project in 2021. We will discuss about one new project which name is Zarkados. So we will discuss first of all home. I a very worthy project to be given full support, as I am convinced that the merged team is the person of choice in the art will ensure that the project will work well and will generate the profit that investor deserve to join. This is a very cool and strong project. So first of all we will discuss about home, and the second one is buy, how we will buy a Zarkados token, what the procedure, and which viewer join this project. The news of a Zarkados, the third one is the news, which the news of a Zarkados token, which date he is launched and which value of this token. We will click there to white paper to get more information about this project, amazing project, and we will easily join and buy Zarkados tokens and Zarkados join the Zarkados project. And the third one is ICU. We will discuss about ICU and the about of Zarkados and how will contact us of this project community. We will scroll down to will show the privacy token and the amazing thing of this project. This is a really very cool and strong project with great facilities. I hope this project will achieve more success. We will be happy to see the achievement and result of this project. Excellent project. Token the best project by best team live in crypto world and offer big profit. We will click there to buy this Zarkados token easily. We scroll down to will see VPN and detective VPN. This is the futures. We will easily to buy and sell of this token. Will show this open this whole new world for open source developer of this is a Zarkados new project. So well, the other smartphones easily we will download this app and easily to join and unlock of this project to easily, very easily, and perform the this project. We will click there to buy and we will see, scroll down and we will see a roadmap. It is a very cool project. The concept is very good. The promotion of this project is very important and a part of successful business. So we can invest in this project. Let's invest in the project as soon as possible. We will check that quarter 2021 2020. This project is a great prospectus thanks to the well coordinated and constructive work of the team of professionals. The project take the first place among competitor. The very good project leverage blockchain technology in two manners. We will click there and we will show the quarter 2 2021 features of this project easily. We will it is give me a very big benefits. So we will advise to all, please join in this project and everyone invest in this project. A potential project for the future. The project is implemented very professionally and is a clear development plan made by a very professional and experienced team. Launch of other Kiwi smartphone. We will this Zarkados project give our app. We will easily to buy and sell of this token in 2022 and they start develop. It is a very development. It is a good development, a good team to this. This project is easily to successful in soon. It is it will get a better position in all project. Well, the best project of 2021. If we do project promotion, that it will be a way to earn cash. Show me in the publicity, show me the real way. We will discuss about this project to show the reality of this project and good which way to I got a good cash of this project. We will click there to buy their roadmap and show a more detail of this project. This is a tokenomics and its team. If we do this is the great and perfect project. I am so glad to belong to the part this project. Hopefully there are many people to invest to, because your rating it's so nice. Their team is very good and it's a very fantastic team. Team is work is very good, and we work well planned, and it is the good of this project successful in the team to achieve a good goals. If we do project promotion, then it will be way to earn cash. The project is a great prospectus. The project is a great prospect thanks to the well coordinated and constructive work of the team of professional. The project takes the first place among the competition. So we will all to advise that, and we will click the contact into Zarkadus in this email, Facebook, and the easily to contact on this project community. This is Telegram, go Telegram channel and Telegram admin Zarkadus admin, and this is Zarkadus admin ID. To we will click there, search in our Telegram, and easily show the admin ID, and we will discuss about this project easily. So I advise to everyone, please join this project. Zarkadus is a very good project, and it's a good goal in the future. Zarkadus it will get better position soon. So everyone invest in this project. Thank you very much.